Hello friends, in this video we are going to check the Laravel Health of your project, right? So we will check how much amount of the disk it has been used or some everything that we are going to check with this package that is done by this package, okay? So let's begin the installation requirements. Let's check the requirement is PHP 8.0 and the Laravel 8 plus, right? And installation and setup, just use this package. After that, vendor publish tag health config, this will gonna be take place. I will show you. I have already installed this extension, and if you go to the config, and here health is there, so you can configure all this thing, whether you want to get the notifications via email or via Slack. Each and everything is over here, right? So you can configure this command, right? And here after this we have to go migrating the database of health migrations, then migrate that, running the checks by you can run these commands by scheduling a command in the schedule. So if you go to the app kernel console kernel.php, so I have already configured this command, schedule commands, party health commands, run checks command for every minute, right? So this is done. So after that, you need to go to the app service provider. In a app service provider, you need to add the check, use this space warning, 70% or 60%, whatever it is, right? So after configuring this, you need to just hit here the command php artisan health check, artisan health check. You will check that running check, use disk spaces, okay, that is 13%, right? This way we can check many more things. Let's go to that their documentation and check. So what they have with us, registering your first check, what they said, use this space and database check. So we can also use the database check here, right? I'm going to add this, use this space warning, and used space is, so it will add here comma, and now I'm going to add this. Let's see, warning token this issue. Call to members partial check health check one when use is per percentage. Okay. So it says running the database is okay and it is 13%. So that means if you use database check, there has some maybe parameters we need to check. Let me go to the this one database check. Run health check command. If you don't follow the installation structure, you have already scheduled that command to execute every minute. Okay, that is not, if you can't restore the checks, that is where you could keep the history of the database results on your own. So here when used disk space is this, so it is checks use disk space. So let's check what the module it has suggest. So we need to go to the this vendor folder and check what are the commands they are using, or maybe they have made the custom commands. Let me go to the custom commands over here. They have created some of the custom checks. Here is the there is a check, health check, make this health check, and this use disk space is like, this is the custom commands that you custom functions that you can build in. So if it is this space is going to be 90%, then you can show the message or something like this. Okay, uh, let's check on inbuilt functions in the vendor folder, right? So vendor, we have the extensions, but yeah, this is Laravel package. Let's go to the database. No, there is source checks. We have database check.php that we are using, right? Database check, we need to use this party check result, and we have this result connection, default connection, this failed, could not connect to the database. Much more things we can check, that is debug mode. Okay, so let's add the debug mode check also. debug mode, right? So let's check debug mode check. Let's see what's going to be happening in the app service provider. So here I'm going to add this one also, debug mode check, new, right? Let's run this, check unexpected, database check, okay, this is added. So it is check checks, that is debug mode check, right? Syntax error, it says unexpected this. Unexpected this. Failed. The debug mode was expected to be, but actually it was true, right? So this is the way. If you go to the database check, what it says. Uh, no, database check not. There would be a which one? Debug mode. This message come out, right? If I'm going to the env file, let me go to my env file and check here. Stream, where is env file? Control H. Env. Let me open this env file and let me add to be like false. I'm going to save this. I'm going to just run this command. See, running check debug mode. Okay, false, right? So this you can use that all the libraries of that one and to show via command line very easily, right? So this is how we are able to run this health check very easily. So I hope you will like this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.